Hi, what's going on? I'm Michele, your 3D production specialist and the CEO of the studio Edna Madagascar.
And I'm Tiavan, your 3D production manager and CX specialist.
Welcome to the Edna School, your getaway to the digital world.
We're here to share our knowledge about digital art and production, and we can't wait to dive into these exciting fields with you.
We will cover subjects like animation, 3D modeling for games, 3D printing, real-time production, music composition and post-production, architectural visualization, application development, augmented and virtual reality.
Our goal is to make learning fun and accessible. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a gaming and film enthusiast, or a tech lover, there's something here for you. So hit that subscribe button and join our growing community.
But that's not all. We also have some fantastic content on our other channel, Innova Companion and the Studio Edna. We'll put the link down below.
So don't miss out on our upcoming content and exciting news about our products and services. And do not forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated.
Thanks for tuning in, stay inspired and creative. Until next time.